A very good morning, students. Today we will be starting new chapter number 12. This is the last chapter of your half-yearly course. Chapter number 12, it is parameter and area. So in today's class, let us study how to find the parameter. First of all, what is parameter? The distance around a figure is called parameter. Here I have drawn two figures. So the distance around this figure, this complete figure and this complete figure, the distance around this figure, it is called as the parameter. It is found by adding the lengths of the sides of the figure. So how to find? Here I have written a question. We have to write the parameter of following figures. The first I have drawn this. So what we have to do? We have to add all this. 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, we have to add this all 3 plus 2 plus again 3 plus 2 plus 4 and plus 3. We have to add this all, then we will be getting the parameter. If we add this 3 plus 2, again plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3, we will be getting 17 centimeter. So 17 centimeter, it is the parameter of this figure. Parameter, it is the complete area which is covered by this figure. So we have to add all this. Now next, let us find the parameter. Here I have drawn the shape of T. So we have to find the parameter of this T figure. I have written the measurement of each side. So we have to add this measurement. Then we will be getting the parameter. So first I have written here 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus again 3 plus 1 plus these two are the mixed numbers. So I am writing this together. If we add this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We get 13 by adding this all number 13 plus 1, 1 and half plus 1, 1 and half. So how to convert this mixed number into fraction? 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 upon 2. This will be also 3 upon 2. Then we will be writing it as 1 plus 2. The denominator will remain same and we will be adding the numerator. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So here we will be getting 13 plus 3, that is 16 centimeter. Again let us revise. Here I have drawn a figure. This is T. Here I have written the measurement of each side. What we have to do in order to find the parameter? We have to add all the sides. Mixed number also we have added. So this mixed number, first of all we have to convert it into fraction. So it will be 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. So 13 plus this 2 we have added, we have written 2 as common and 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 13 plus 3 is 16 centimeter. In this way we have to find the parameter of the given figure. Let us take one more example so that it would be clear for you. Here I have drawn a triangle. Its one side is 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and this also I am writing 4 centimeter. So what will be the parameter of this triangle? It would be 4 plus 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 centimeter. It is the parameter of this triangle. Now we have to determine the parameter of triangle if in the question it is given. If the figure it is not drawn, determine the parameter of a triangle. We have to determine the parameter of a triangle and the sides they are given. Suppose there is a triangle. This is a triangle. Its one side it is given 4 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter and it is 7 centimeter. We have to find the parameter of this triangle. Then we have to add 4 plus 6 and plus 7. We will be adding this. So 4 plus 6 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17. So the answer comes is 17 centimeter. Now I am drawing a figure here. Here we are taking question number 7 of your exercise 12A. In this triangle it is drawn. This side we have to find out. This side it is given in the question, it is 7 centimeter and here it is 9 centimeter. So let us read this question. Find the missing length of the given triangle. We have to find the missing length. This is the missing length. We have to find the missing length of the given triangle. If it's parameter, it is given. What is parameter? It is the addition of these 3 sides. If we add this 3 sides, then we get the parameter. So the parameter it is given in the question and we have to find the missing side. So let us do this question. Parameter of triangle it is given in the question. What is parameter of triangle? The parameter of the triangle it is given, it is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter it is the parameter of the triangle. And what is the length of the 2 sides? Length of 2 sides we can find. We will be adding 7 plus 9. So here we will be getting 13 centimeter. So how to find this missing length? The missing length of triangle. What will be the missing length of the triangle? Parameter, you have to subtract the parameter with these 2 sides. 21 minus 13. So we will be getting 5 centimeter. Let us revise this question. Here what is given in the question? The parameter of the triangle it is given in the question. The parameter of triangle it is 21 centimeter. It is given in the question and the 2 sides are also given. This is 7 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter. But this side it is not given. This side we have to find out. This is the missing length that we have to find out. So first of all we will be adding this to 7 plus 9. We got 13. Then we will be subtracting this 13 with the parameter. That is 21 minus 13. 5 centimeter. So what is the missing length of this triangle? 5 centimeter. In order to check your answer, if you add 5 plus 7 plus 9, you will be getting 21 centimeter. So in today's class, we will be discussing only how to find out the parameter and how to find the missing length if the parameter it is given in the question. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Keep practicing maths.